Hello and welcome to our channel Nuturemite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are also known as pepitas, meaning little seed of squash in Spanish. They are flat dark green seeds. Pumpkin seeds have a malleable, chewy texture and a subtly sweet and nutty flavor. They are available in many forms like raw and shelled, raw and unshelled, roasted and shelled, and roasted and unshelled. Pumpkin seeds belong to Cucurbitaceae family. Pumpkin seeds are very nutritious. They help to reduce weight, boost immunity, uplift mood, protect against cancer, and improve sleep. Benefits of pumpkin seeds. First, bone health. Pumpkin seeds contain magnesium, which increases bone density. It also helps to decrease the risk of osteoporosis in women. Second, diabetes. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of magnesium which protects us from type 2 diabetes. Third, heart and liver health. Pumpkin seeds contain lot of nutrients like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid, antioxidant and fiber, which benefits both heart health. Third, weight loss and digestion. Pumpkin seeds helps to reduce the weight and improves the digestion by enhancing digestive health. Fourth, the immune system. Pumpkin seed contain antioxidant and vitamin E, which helps to strengthen the immune system and maintain healthy blood vessels. Fifth, insomnia prevention. Pumpkin seed contain lot of tryptophan, which is an antioxidant which is used to treat insomnia. Sixth, pregnancy. Pumpkin seeds are full of zinc, which is an essential nutrient required by women during pregnancy. It helps to remove bad things and improve the health of both mother and child. Seventh, antioxidant activity. Pumpkin seed contain lot of antioxidant which helps to protect us from many diseases like reducing inflammation and arthritis. 8th, skin and eye health. Pumpkin seed contain squalene, which is an antioxidant compound that is similar to beta-carotene. It helps to protect the skin from UV rays and other types of radiation. 9th, linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. Pumpkin seeds reduces the risk of many types of cancers like stomach, breast, lung, prostate, and colon cancer. It contains lignans which prevent and treats breast cancer. 10th, can lower blood sugar level. Pumpkin seeds reduces blood sugar levels and helps in reducing diabetes. Pumpkin seed contain magnesium, which is responsible for reducing blood sugar level. 11. May improve sperm quality. Zinc helps to increase the sperm quality and reduces the risk of infertility in man. It also protects human sperm from damage caused by chemotherapy and autoimmune diseases. Pumpkin seed contain antioxidant which maintains the testosterone levels. Pumpkin seeds can be eaten at any time of day. It goes well with every single food item. We used to use pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds can be eaten either raw or roasted, salted and unsalted. It can be. If you want to experience the benefit of pumpkin seed, they are easy to incorporate into your diet. It can be added in our diet in various ways like top salads with pumpkin seeds, make homemade granola with a mixture of nuts, pumpkin seeds and dried fruit, brush pumpkin seed with olive oil, seasoned with cumin and garlic powder and bake until brown and toasted. Make your own pumpkin seed butter like peanut butter by blending whole raw pumpkin seed in a food processor until smooth. Add pumpkin seeds to healthy sorted vegetables. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds on top of mixed green salads. Rind pumpkin seeds with fresh garlic, parsley, and cilantro leaves. Mix with olive oil and lemon juice for a tasty salad dressing. Add chopped pumpkin seeds to your favorite hot or cold cereal. Add pumpkin seeds to your oatmeal raisin, cookie, or granola recipe. Next time you make burgers, whether it can be vegetable, turkey, or beef, add some ground pumpkin seeds. How to buy and store pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds can be stored for 3 to 4 months. They should be stored in a cool, dark, and dry place to improve shelf life in an airtight container. While buying pumpkin seeds, make sure that there is no evidence of moisture or insect damage and that they are not shivered. If it is possible to smell the pumpkin seeds, do so in order to ensure that they are not rinsed or musty. Seasons in which pumpkin seeds are available. Pumpkin seeds are available all year around. And now it's time for safety profile. Pumpkin seeds are high in calorie, so they should be eaten in small quantities as they can cause obesity. Small children can choke while eating pumpkin seeds. Make sure that an elder is with them while eating pumpkin seeds. Fun facts about pumpkin seeds. There are more than 50 varieties of pumpkin. Green pumpkin seeds are a naked version of white pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin pie spice does not contain pumpkin. Pumpkin seeds is easy to cook. Pumpkin seed oil is very beneficial. So thank you guys. If you found this video useful, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel Nuturemite, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.